Hi guys, this is H62, and today I'm going to do a vlog again because I like doing vlogs, and I haven't uploaded any video recently because it's quite busy recently as well. Because I came back to Hong Kong 3 weeks ago or something, and or 2 weeks ago. I forgot. I went to Taiwan last week, and I had an IELTS test. I did an IELTS test yesterday, so I don't have time to do a video. But today I'm free. I'm doing a video now, and I have time to do a vlog, a quick vlog, what I got this holiday. So, firstly, super best Oats driver, of course, Skynet as well. The one of the reasons why I got the super best. Well, actually, I promised you guys to get the super best, didn't I? In the vlog 5, my last vlog, because I really want because I really want a super best. I don't want to waste my time to get the target spinner and uh, and the medal sets, but I got the medal set one already, so I don't mind. But and the second reason why is, the Hong Kong version of the old Skyner. It has like a white sticker here saying Bandai from HK or something, or code here, and I don't really like it. So it ruins the old Skyner. So that's another reason why I didn't get the old Skyner. Then the next item I got, well, you guys would like it, is the Oast medal holder. And what's inside? Oh, you see here. Here we have the complete, not really complete, but complete Oast medal sets. Not nearly complete, not yet complete. I still need Super Taka and Super Tora to go on this two space. So yeah, and then the Super Best, and as you say, as one of the reasons for Super Best Host Driver, because you get the Kujaku and Kondo medals, and then you get the other medals. The medals here, basically, the 9 medals here. Um, what you get from the package is basically Taka, Kujaku, Kondo, Lion, Tora, Cheetah, Duat Kamakiri, and Butter. And I bet everyone knows that. So, because some people already got super best, and people who didn't even know, um, no, didn't even have the super best already knows that. So, yeah. And others are just medal sets, really. And the Burakawani is not the Japanese special set. It's the Hong Kong version of the SP. It's called Medal Set 05. There's no such thing as 05, but in Hong Kong they do, apparently. So I reviewed this. I'm not going to do a long review for the O's medal holder, so um, I'll do a mini review with the O's drive, with the Super Best O's driver. It's within that video as well, so yeah. Okay, another item. Uh, I'm not yet update. I'm not yet update from Wizard Rings, so I want to update myself. So as I told you about, I'm gonna get lokcseed, but I did. Firstly, I got the muscle broccoli lokcseed. Yeah, muscle broccoli lokcseed. LS01 dongri lokcseed. Sorry. Then we have melon lokcseed. Yeah, melon. Then we have pine lokcseed. Then we have Ichigo. Then we have Budo lokcseed. DX. I will get another DX. I'll get a DX one as well as Kenny Toy, because you get the Yugen faceplate. The Mango DX one. Yeah, yeah, it lights up. Yep, Mango. Then Kiwi. And Kiwi. Yeah, Kiwi. And here. The Kiwi lokcseed. Then Deno lokcseed. So basically, for these two, these two lokcseed, these lokcseed, the Ichigo, the Pine, the Budo, the Dongri, the Pine, and the Melon lokcseed are Kenny Toy. The Muscle Bokri is definitely the Gashapon. You can't really get a Kenny Toy because it's not out yet. So the Muscle Bokri is the Gashapon. Sorry, not Kenny. And these two are DX, Deluxe or DX, Deluxe. So yeah, those two are Deluxe, and the rest is Kenny Toy, apart from Muscle Bokri, which is the Gashapon. So that's basically all my lokcseed, all the lokcseed I have now. But I'm gonna get more because I'm gonna get Dorian, but it's quite hard to find in Hong Kong because basically everyone went to get it, and that's basically quite rare now. Dorian, quite rare. But I hope Bandai is gonna release the Gashapon. Otherwise, I have to find it somewhere else to buy Dorian. But I hope Bandai does that. So that's basically is the vlog, because I'm just talking about what I have really. So and what got new and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. The ring series, it will carry on, but yeah, I know rings are not that popular now, but I still gonna do it. Yeah, I got a haircut definitely because I look like the chicken. I don't know, but yeah, basically. So I'll see you guys next time in another review and another vlog or ring series whatsoever. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good Christmas, Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Goodbye everyone. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.